Hello student, today we discuss about spectroscopy topic electromagnetic radiation. First we discuss on spectroscopy definition. This is the branch of science dealing the study of interactions of electromagnetic radiation with matter. This means spectroscopy is the interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter. Now we discuss on electromagnetic radiation. Transmission of energy through a vacuum or using no medium is accomplished by electromagnetic wave caused by the oscillation of electric and magnetic field. They move at a constant speed of 3 multiplied 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Often they are called electromagnetic radiation and light or photon. An electromagnetic radiation, it has both electric and magnetic field component which oscillate in a fixed relationship to one another, perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the direction of propagation. The two components making up an electromagnetic radiation are the first electric field and second magnetic field. The two fields are always perpendicular to each other and both are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. As seen in this picture, electromagnetic wave, this is electromagnetic field, this is magnetic field. They are perpendicular to each other. Some properties of electromagnetic radiation. The radiate electromagnetic radiation has certain properties. Electromagnetic wave travel at the speed of light c 3 multiplied 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The electric and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. We seen in this picture, electric and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. The electric and magnetic field are in phase, both reach a maximum and minimum at the same time. The electric and magnetic field are perpendicular to the direction of travel. Some term we used in this for this picture, wavelength is the distance between any two equivalent points on successive wave. It means distance between two maxima or two minima known as wavelength. Next, wave number is the reciprocal of wavelength in centimeter. Next, frequency is the number of oscillation of the field which occur each second. It means cycle per second. Velocity. In a vacuum, the velocity of electromagnetic radiation is 2.9 multiply 10 to the power 8 meter per second, near about 3 multiply 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Next, amplitude, the height of the wave. This is known the amplitude, wavelength, distance between two minima or two maxima. Their wavelength and corresponding difference in their energy. Shorter wavelength correspond to higher energy. The notation that electromagnetic radiation certain a quantified amount of energy can perhaps be better understood if we talk about light as a stream of particle called photon rather than as a wave. Recall the concept known as wave particle duality at the quantum level. Wave behavior and particle behavior become indistinguishable, and very small particles have an observable wavelength. If we describe light as stream of photon, the energy of particular wavelength can be expressed as according to Planck equation, E is equal to h nu, where nu is equal to c upon lambda, then E बराबर h c upon lambda. where E refer energy, H Planck constant, V frequency, C speed of light, lambda wavelength. The value of Planck constant 6.62 multiplied 10 to the power minus 34 joule per second in SI unit, and then velocity of light 2.9979 multiplied 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and nearby 3 multiplied 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Because electromagnetic radiation travel at a constant speed, each wavelength corresponds to a given frequency, which is the number of time per second that a crest passes a given point. Longer wave have lower frequency and shorter wave have higher frequency. Frequency is commonly reported in hertz, meaning cycle per second or wave per second. The standard unit for frequency is second minus 1. When talking about electromagnetic wave, we can refer either to wavelength or to frequency. The two values are interconverted using the simple expression C barabar is equal to nu lambda, where nu, Greek letter nu, is known as frequency in second minus 1. The full range of electromagnetic radiation wavelength is referred to as the electromagnetic spectrum. We seen in this electromagnetic spectrum here gamma rays having maximum value of energy and maximum value of frequency. Then we going on right side of here radio wave having highest wavelength and lower energy. This part is known as visible spectrum between 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. At one end on 400 nanometer is violet and the other end 700 nanometer is red. Gamma rays having maximum energy and maximum frequency. UV and IR having low frequency or energy value than gamma and X-rays, and radio wave having maximum value of wavelength. When visible light is passed through a prism, it is split up into 7 colors which correspond to definite wavelength. This phenomena is called dispersion. Thus, a group of electromagnetic radiation can be split up into various components for analysis. We seen in this picture, white light passed through a prism, it is split up into 7 colors. This is known as a dispersion. The study of spectroscopy deal with emission as well as absorption spectra. An emission spectrum is produced by the emission of radiant energy by an excited atom. This excitation of atom can be brought about thermal or electrical. When electric discharge is passed through the vapors of the substance, energy is absorbed and electrons in the ground state are promoted to metastable state. When electrons from the metastable state jump to the lower energy state, then some energy of definite frequency is released as radiation. If this radiation emitted is analyzed with the help of spectroscopy, an emission spectrum is observed. If electromagnetic radiation are passed through the substance under analysis for some time, then radiation of certain wavelengths are absorbed by the substance. The wavelengths which are absorbed characteristics some particular functional group present in the compound or the compound itself. This dark pattern of line which correspond to the wavelength observed is called absorption spectrum. After absorption, the transmitted light is analyzed by the spectrometer relative to the incident light of the given frequency. In absorption spectrum, the absorbed energy may heat up the sample or it re-emitted. Thank you.